Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the live video monitoring settings for the Roborock Qrevo Slim. This product is linked in the video description if you're interested, so let's jump right to it. First, we're in the Roborock Qrevo Slim settings. On the right-hand side of your screen, there is a camera icon that we can select. That'll take us into live video monitoring. This is the nice overview that you're going to see. So we'll start in the top left-hand corner. We have the back arrow to exit out. We have our settings here, so our remote viewing settings. We can schedule a cruise and we can view our history. We got the phone icon there too, so basically two-way audio. We can listen in and talk. Then on the right-hand side, we have our map with pin and go options. So drop a pin on the map, it will go to that spot. Or cruise options where you can basically drop multiple pins, it will go to each of those areas. We can also have it go around the house searching for a pet if you have a pet in the house. We have our up and down arrows if we want to manually drive it, and our left and right arrows so we can use the controls and drive it freely as we so choose, using the camera in real time to know where we're going. I'm going to go ahead and select the cruise option here. We're going to drop one there. We'll drop one there, and we'll start our cruise. And for those interested, there are voice prompts. I can hear it driving around the studio. But this is all real time. So we can tune in, check on our house, especially if you're out of the house, you want to try to find your dog, your cat. Pretty cool. Here it is driving though. Once it gets to that spot, it'll basically do a full 360, give you that nice panorama to see everything. All sides and angles. And then once the 360 completes, it'll go off to the next area. And then once it's all done, it'll go back home and charge up again. We can also pause or end it if we wanted to right now. Say you change your mind. Pause, end, or go back to the dock. Let's keep cruising though. So that room had all the lights on and lights from the window. This next room is going to be dark with just some light coming in from the window, but the sun's on the opposite side of the house. Just want to show you some different lighting environments with this camera and how it can adjust. I love watching the camera in action. It's so cool. It's going to go to the spot on the map. So even in a low light environment, look at how clear and crisp everything still is. That just speaks to the quality of the camera. I know we still have some light coming in the window, but you get the idea. It's at the point now, it notified us audibly, and now it's rotating around. All right, we got a prompt. It finished cruising, even a notification on our phone. Now it's going to return back to the dock, so let's see how it handles it. There's still voice prompts letting us know. All right, it's making its way back. And once it's at the dock, it's going to back itself up. And it's back at the dock and charging. So with the live video monitoring, drive it, pin it, cruise it, it's up to you.